Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. How are you guys doing? How is trading? How is your day going? All right, guys, I have a quick one for you guys. Okay, this is a new month. Happy new month! I wish you successful journey in this new month and beautiful days ahead. So, guys, I want to give you a new month promotion or giveaway as they call it. Right, this is I want to make my VIP room available for as many as wants to join at a very reduced price, guys. So now, without wasting much time, okay, if you want to join the HumbleFx VIP room right now today, the next 24 hours, you are going to pay $20 for 1 month, right? Instead of paying $40 as usual, I have to bring it down because I want to give out the value to people who are interested. So if you're interested right now to join the HumbleFx group, trading group, we'll be sending you signals on currency pairs, boom and crash, and we are treating this as that may be. Okay, so you can join. You could see this is what we'll be doing on our group, and you see we are making it, and the least amount you start with is you can start with $10. You can start with $10 and be making your targets every single day, right? So like this is what you have been doing for a few days now, even though this is basically boom and crash and all that. See that? So every single day we come here to trade and all that, and we'll be making some good impact right here, guys. Okay, it's just that simple, guys. It's just that simple. Okay, if you want to join, don't waste lots of your time. Just come ahead and check on this video description, and you will see the link to my profile on WhatsApp and on Telegram. Okay, contact me and join the Signal group right now for just $20 only. After 24 hours or thereabout, the price goes back to $40-50, and I guess you don't want that to happen. So guys, if you want to join us in the journey, rush in and get your spot ready. Okay, we'll start again tomorrow, right? So this is HumbleFx, and I remain HumbleFx. So guys, keep trading, keep smashing, keep making a difference. Until then, around HumbleFx. Enjoy.